Uh, Welcome everyone. This is my first tutorial on this channel, and today we'll be teaching you how to remove outdated content from Google search. In this tutorial, maybe you've maybe made an error on your SEO description, or you have an expired link that keep coming up on Google search and you wish to remove it. I think this tutorial is best for you. So first of all, we are on the Google Search Console help, and according to their documentation, um, you can use the remover outdated content tools to have Google update search result for pages or image that no longer exist, or pages that have removed important, sensitive, or critical content. So in this tutorial, what we'll be focusing on, maybe you think the information on the page or image is wrong, bad, or maybe illegal, etc. If you think the current information is bad, wrong, dangerous, personal, or harmful, this for you. You are a verified owner of the page in Search Console. You are a verified owner. Use this tool. You want to personally remove a search result for a URL that is public accessed, you can also use this tool. So in general, what they're trying to let you know is, if you know you've made an error on your link, or you have a wrong description image and you wish to remove it from Google search, you can come to these pages and start doing it. So first of all, we'll go to the page. Now this is the page, this is the URL I would like to change. As you can see, you put search, then you put the URL of the site you want to show on Google site. So when you click it, it brings up INET device and also show Centron technology. This is not what we want. What we want is the INET device to be showing on our pages, but due to one reason or the other, we found out a new name or a wrong name was there. So to do it, first of all, you can go directly to your Google console, that is search.google.com/search console. So when you go to your Google console dashboard, this is what you see. But another quickest way to go there is, if you are the owner of the site, the quickest way to do it by going to this icon here, right click it and click on coach. So when you click on coach, bring the site to be sure if this is the appropriate link that you want. Then you go to try Google consoles, try Google Search Console. So when you go to the try Google Search Console, it takes you to your Google Search Console dashboard. Now this is where we go technical. So as you can see on my search engine, I'm focusing on, let me go back a little. This is the link I want to remove. I want to remove this link that has a shop and this link that has a wish list. That's the two links I want to remove. So on your page, you go down to remover by the left side under index. So when you go to the remover, well, let me refresh the page again for proper understanding. Then when you go to remover, you click on removers. It shows temporary remover, outdated content, search filtering. What we need is temporary remover, which is you submit the link to the page you want to remove. So as you can see, I've already submitted the page, which is inetdevice.com/shop and inetdevice.com.ng/wishlist. So these are the two pages I'll be removing. To do that, you need to click on new request. You paste the link there. So when you paste the link there, they have two options for you: remove this URL only and remove all URL with this prefix. You remove URL only works like if you want to remove the URL on the search console, on the search engine, or you want to remove all URL with this prefix, which is all URL that has to do with the particular endpoint, like shop, for example, like shop, any URL that has to do with this link that ends with shops. That's what the second one is. So we'll be going for the second one because we need to remove any URL that has to link with this shop URL. So you go to the site, maybe you click on the link just for easy just so when the link is open, you click URL at the top and you go back to the link, then you paste it. As you can see, I've already done that, so no need of submitting next. So when you click on next, it loads and it shows you this. So when it shows you this, just give it some time for it to start processing. Then in a couple of days or weeks, the request will be approved, and you find out that your link is no more on Google search. So that's how you could remove your link on Google search. And I hope this tutorial is really helpful to you. Thank you very much.